No way. This is for you guys.
Congratulations, guys. You own an adventure machine that's gonna help us go to very far places.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hadi Malak. Madame Nula sleeping in the VIP section. Today we're on the way to Oman. We're going for 5 days, 4 nights, 2 nights in a hotel, 2 nights in nature. And yeah, we're on the way. Okay, so we are at stop number 2, around 2 hours and a half away. Malak is stretching, as you can see, she's about to play basketball. We finally made it. What's up, adventure guy?
Hey.
So we're gonna sleep here for a night and I'll show you the room. Bedroom, yeah.
Moments later.
Man, this is a freaking joke. We barely slept.
This is tea? I don't know what is this. I need coffee.
We're driving now to Wadi Bani Khalid. We're in. Oh, there's a snake. Wallah azim. Guys, so we're going in the water now. It's freezing. أنا بكره الماء بارد كثير. No way. Malak, what the? Dear baby, I'm thinking. What are you thinking about? Guys, what does it look like under? Is there any snakes? Is it deep here?
Wild Wadi Express no.
Yallah, I'm joking, and hell no, I'm not doing that. Allah, like Majnoon, bro, Majnoon. I'm so scared. Oh my god, that's freaking insane. I can't get over this. Super high. What a day. You know, sea turtles come up to land and they lay eggs, so hopefully we can catch them. We're saving turtles. They're on the road. So what they do is they go to the light of houses because they think that it is the plankton in the ocean.
يلسوا بسرعة يلسوا بسكر بعدين يلسوا صور الحين.
Hey, fresh man. Guys, this is around 40 years old.
He dug this whole hole.
So guys, now it's closing the hole since it finished laying the eggs. Oh wow. So now we got the turtles and we're gonna drop them back in the ocean. Oh, this is so cool, dude. Amazing. Wow, this is insane. The blue dots that you see are called plankton, and that is a guide for the turtle to swim towards the ocean after they're born, to start their very long journey. And عندنا فايل كمان, guys, check his Instagram out. He specializes in these things.
اوريهم سلاحف، رحلات بحرية، دايفنج، كل شيء موجود، شو تبغى كل شيء موجود. حياك الله في أي وقت.
When they lay their eggs far from the ocean, it's females. When it's close to the ocean, it's males. So when it's in the middle between both sandwich, it's mixed. The temperature decides the gender of the babies. To provide. What's up?
Our favorite people.
Oh.
Say hi to the camera.
Oh my god, you're like a drone shot right now.
Careful.
They create this to gather the water, and every house takes water for free. Into the jungle.
Yeah.
And I have my Jurassic socks on. Jurassic Park. Are you Nisrino?
Oh my god.
You know the pebble, the small pebbles? This is just an upsized one. It's a pebble. wish you guys could feel this. Plants like this, you can actually, they're strong enough, although they're thin, you hold them to balance yourself. I'm completely balancing myself on this cliff with this thing. Nature always wants to help you. Allow it to.
Two.
Hi, we're at camp on top of a mountain. I got my own cooking stove. Fire! It's very soft. It's very
You have a reactionless face, so it makes me doubt if you like it or not.
It's 14 dudes and dudettes. It's freezing. I want to turn the car on to put the heated seats on. 8 degrees. The heater's starting to work. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this heater. You can't imagine. Then go eat dinner in a restaurant, proper food, and then we're gonna camp by the beach.
170 meter. It's like 170 meters deep.
This is called Majlis al-Jinn. Majlis al-Jinn means gathering place of the jinn. It's the second largest known cave chamber in the world. The cave is located in a remote area in the Salma Plateau at 1,380 meters above sea level. Majlis al-Jinn is a single chamber measuring 310 meters by 225 meters with a domed ceiling of 120 meters high and 3 entrances in the roof.
Let's do it!
Let's go!
Ready?
Ready!
So we're going to visit right now the sinkhole.
It's a meteor and it hit here. Bro, this is insane. Oh, there's people swimming.
I can't shower. What do you expect me to do?
Come check it out.
So sad.
I'm فاكر بالشاور هلا it's a meteor in space.
Look at my hair.
From aliens, dude.
Dude.
تخيل هذا ضربة meteor. Guys, like imagine this whole thing happened because something hit. Like imagine the power, the force. You just touched meteor water. Now we are partial aliens. Acting with animals. We are about to eat authentic Omani food.
I'm about to be kicked from the restaurant because of my outfit.
Whoa, this whole thing's for us. Look, I have a question.
Ask.
How does it feel to be the youngest in the group?
How does it feel to ask the lamest questions, Hadi, in the group? Look.
This entire trip was planned by Amr. Love you more.
Thank you, Amr.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Amr.
Thank you so much. Thank you again.
عمرو بيه. ميرسي يا عمورة.
Thank you, Amura.
Thank you so much. Thank you عمرو.
Thank you, Am.
شكرا كتير يا عمور.
Bye.
The food is here. So this is cooked with banana leaves for many hours. صحتين, guys. From place to place, food to food.
Hi, we finished eating. Now we're going to eat knafe. Yalla, let's go.
High five.
Yeah.
On the beach. HA in a beanbag. Straight up to the sky. See you in the morning. We better get up because the water is getting closer. Should I leave them or it's content, right? Just leave them. Oh, horses. And now we're going to eat and then to check in our hotel for our last night.
I thought the.
I don't know what happens to Malak sometimes. She tends to get confused.
Yeah. Possible.
Guys, you know in GTA, Grand Theft Auto, you know when you can just go in your car up there?
Yeah.
Like off-roading. Let's go.
Do it.
Alright guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1. That's our luggage. Assalamu alaikum. كيف الحال? This is the machine that's sending it to that side over there. This is my assistant Malak. هذا فين صورك؟ هذا صاحبنا الاسم كريم.
محمد شرف.
يا هلا يا محمد.
حياكم الله.
شرفنا. They're sending our bags now over there, and we're gonna hike all the way to reach there. How was it? Good? So the
place in October this year, this was like a river.
As you heard Amr say, during October there are heavy floods, so this bridge is a tool.
Let's go!
كيف هيك تفكيني عم بحكي شيء لحالي؟ What a useless friend.
Sorry. Wow!
شو هذا؟ You know an actual thing? Cozy. This is Sparta! It's getting cold now, we're sitting on the fire. So behind me are the Shariki family. They take care of this entire place. So I just saw them now preparing stuff. I was like, this must be so cool.
You story or what was in English? Yeah.
Yes,
Story
yes.
about how is our life here in the past.
So Muhammad told us up in the mountain that he was born with no electricity. The reason why they build their houses like in the middle of a mountain is because they're herders. They trade goats and donkeys mostly.
They were looking for the best place for them, which is the mountains, away from the city, away from the roads.
So no animals can eat them or people can steal them. So for 200, 300 years, they used to walk 2 days, hike 2 days with no roads. There were no roads to get food and equipment for their homes to build and whatnot. And they would use the donkey as a transportation vehicle. So a donkey was actually a necessity. It was a lifesaver. Without it, you wouldn't be able to carry stuff.
Up until 2006. Man, they used to go to school with a helicopter, very, very far away. They couldn't like walk to school, the kids. So basically the Sultan used to like send a helicopter for the kids to be able to go to school and then come back after like 3 weeks or a month.
In winter, the rooms stay warm. And in summer, the rooms become cold. So it's a sort of natural azil.
Insulation.
Yeah. Imagine Muhammad's life. He was born into what we see on TV. No electricity, nothing, no roads. He used to hike 2 days to get food. He grew to see electricity. And imagine in 50 years what he's going to see. So he almost lived what our ancestors lived and what we live. And he's gonna live what we're gonna live in the future. This guy is a walking, teleporting machine. He teleported, man. He went back and he saw what it was like to live. He lived it. He lived the reality of life where water was only there, fire, wood and rock, nothing else. No phones, no. He lived that life and he went to Dubai and he went to Saudi Arabia and he said, no, I like this more. Out of this entire trip, this is the most thing that amused me. And I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you on the next one.
I told her, baby, come here, she tell me why? I told her, baby, tryna say something to your eyes, tryna show you something different like anybody. Let me